Welcome to the new part, everyone, and thank you for staying with us so far. As you followed along with us, we have built all the game scenes together in the previous parts. Now let's create a script that will take us to the new game scene when we click the New Game button. In the Scripts folder, create a new script and name it Change Scene. Double-click the new script to open it in Visual Studio. Delete the default Unity Start and Update functions. Here we have a function called change_scenes. This function is public, which means it can be called from other scripts or buttons in Unity. It takes one piece of information called scene name, which is a text string. When we use this function, we can tell Unity which scene we want to load by giving it the name of that scene. This line lets us use Unity's scene management system, which is needed to change or load scenes. This line tells Unity to load the scene with the name we provide. For loading a scene, only these few lines of code are needed. Save the script and go back to Unity. To use the script, create an empty game object and name it Menu Manager. Then, drag the script from the Scripts folder and assign it to the Menu Manager in the Inspector window. Now, to be able to move between different scenes in Unity, we need to add the scenes to the Build settings. Simply drag the scenes from the Scenes folder into the Build settings window in order. After that, select the New Game button in the Hierarchy window. In the Inspector window, under the On-Click section, click the plus icon. Drag the Menu Manager game object into the empty field so we can access the script we wrote. After selecting the Change Scene function, enter the name of the scene you want to load when the button is clicked. After entering the scene name New Game, run the game and click the New Game button. As you can see, we are now taken to the New Game scene. This part is now complete. In the next section, we'll create the script for the New Game scene. Follow along with us, and don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.